guys, it's Janine and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I detangle these overly matted, tangled, dry, curly clip-ins. Y'all see this mess? These clip-ins have had it. Or have they? These clip-ins were sent to me by the company Betterlength Hair, and I've had these clip-ins for a little over a year now. As with all kinky curly clip-ins, no matter what brand, company, no matter how well you take care of them, they always come out looking like this. I don't care how they sell it, how they advertise it, or tell you it's virgin human hair, it still ends up looking like the back of a sheep's butt. Now the shedding is horrible unless you seal the wefts, but the stuff that you use to seal your wefts is so toxic, I wasn't about to put that anywhere near my head. Most people would have thrown their clip-ins out by now. I've worn enough clip-ins to know when it's simply time to part ways, or if I can still squeeze a little bit more out of them. And after looking at these clip-ins, I feel I can get one more wear out of them. For me, there are only two things that can easily detangle a mess such as this, and that's a good detangling shampoo and a good sturdy and durable detangling brush. The only brush that can stand up to a task such as this is the Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush. With its widely spaced flexi bristles, it can easily break through the toughest of knots and tangles for your natural hair, but it's also strong and sturdy enough to get through matted tangled weave. I like the entire brush including the bristles because it's tough, it's sturdy, and you don't have to worry about the bristles leaning or bent out of shape when you're done detangling. The brush doesn't get defeated. You also want to make sure that you have a shampoo that's specifically for detangling, and I'll be using from Texture ID the Coils Detangling Shampoo. This is my favorite shampoo for my natural hair because it's super duper hydrating, detangling, moisturizing, and it has the most amazing slipation, and it leaves the hair very soft and smelling so good. Once I've separated all the clip-ins, I fill the sink with hot water, not boiling water, just hot tap water. And one by one, I immerse each track into the water, get it nice and soaking wet, and then I take a little shampoo. Now a small amount of the shampoo does go a long way because it works up a thick heavy lather. I'm going to work the shampoo onto the hair from top to bottom and start detangling from the ends to the top, just like you would do your real hair. Now some people use the silicone mix to restore their weave or boiling hot water to detangle, and that's all well and good, but I don't want to mess with the chemicals, and boiling the hair causes you to lose that beautiful curl pattern. Now this is where the patience comes in. Patience is a virtue, which I'm still working on that, and I'm pretty sure you are too. It may take 1 to 2 minutes to see a breakthrough in the detangling, but I just keep going and I go slowly because this hair already is shedding really bad, so I don't want to yank out more hair than normal. Now very importantly, when you get to the weft of the hair where it's tangled the worst, you want to use the tip of the detangling brush to really grab and detangle those areas of the weft, because that helps the clamps or the clips to snap and close easily and securely onto your hair. When there's too much hair tangled around the clip, it will cause them not to securely cling to your hair, and they will slip off and fall out of your hair. See how better this looks now? You see juicy curl definition and shine, and see how it's detangled from the weft? That's how you want it to look. So at this time, I'm just going to continue repeating the process for the other clips. So now all the hair is completely washed and detangled. Do y'all see the difference of how this hair looked in the beginning of the video compared to now? It looks really good, doesn't it? It looks good as new. At this point, this will be a great time to add your favorite styler to keep the curl definition. I like TGIN's Honey Whip Hydrating Mousse for a lighter, softer curl and bounce. Or if I want something a little heavier for maximum hold and definition, I like to use Lotta Body's Twist Me Curl Styling Pudding. It creates soft and defined crunch-free curls, it adds moisture and shine, and it looks like pudding. It smells really good too. So that concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I was able to detangle and restore my old curly clip-ins with 2 items, a good detangling brush and shampoo. So again, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my content. It's just Janine, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys!